Percentages past exam questions. Question number 1. A tin of cat food costs 40p. Shop has a special offer on cat food. 2 tins get 1 free. Work out how much she pays. Well, if 3 tins cost 80p, because you buy 2 you get 1 free, that means you want to know how much 12 tins are. So from 3 to 12 times by 4. So 80p times 4 is £3.20. Question 2. Write 9 out of the 12 tins are tuna. Write 9 out of 12 as percentage. 9 out of 12 you can simplify to 3 over 4. You should all know that 3/4 is 75%. The normal price of a cat basket is £20. In a sale that's reduced by 15%, work it out. So I've shown clearly what 15% is. It's £3, and I've taken it away. Some of you might want to use the multiplier method, which we've used in class, which would be 20 times. Because we're reducing, you need to take 15% off, or 0.15 off. So it would be 0.85. And that will give you £17 as well. So a couple of methods there of doing it. Question number 2. School shop sells some crisps. Fill in the chart. Classic exam question. This must add up to 100, so it's 15. The highest sales, obviously salt and vinegar. 25% is a fraction. This one's quite easy. 25%, I think a lot of you know, is a quarter. But if you ever write this percentage as a fraction, remember the word percent is Latin or Greek or something, doesn't really matter, for out of 100. So it's 25 out of 100, which is 1 over 4. The school shop sold 200 packs of crisps. Work out how many cheese and onion ones were sold. Well, cheese and onion is 20%. So what the question is asking is, what is 20% of 200? And it's 40. Do it whichever way you want. Question number 3. Write down the most... which book has the smallest percentage? Science fiction. I'll be surprised if that comes up on a higher paper. It's just reading. 13% as a decimal is 0.13. Again, I've just discussed this. 24% as a fraction. So it's 24 out of 100, 12 over 50, and 6 over 25, because you just simplify it. 3,000 books in the library. What's 15% of 3,000? I've done it the old-fashioned way. So 10% is that, 5% is that. Add it up, and there you go. So that is question 3. Question 4. Hadra's weekly pay this year is £240. This is 20% more than last year. Bill says this means that their weekly pay was £192. He's wrong. Explain why. Bill had subtracted 20% from Hadra's new weekly pay. And if you do that, if you add on 20%, it does not equal 240. So this was a reverse percentage question, but Bill's treated it in a normal way. We're going to actually work it out here. £240 is, if we're talking about what his pay was last year, £240, which is his new pay, is 120%. Because 100% is his old pay, but it's adding 20%, so it's 120%. And all I've done is divide both sides by 12 to work out 10%, then multiply by 100, and you get it's £200. Some of you can use trial and error, so that means you could have a guess at what their pay would have been the year before, add on 20%, and see if you can get 240. That one there, I'd say, is probably quite an easy one to have an estimated guess at. But you can always work it out yourself, so you can find out if you're right or wrong. Question number 5. A hotel has 56 guests, 35 are male. Work out 35 out of 56 as a percentage. Well, that's it as a fraction. That's it simplified. You need to know that 1/8 is 12.5%. And if you can't remember that, look at it this way. Remember, a half is 50%. And if you keep halving, so a quarter is 25%. So 1/8, half that again, is 12.5%. So just bear that in mind. So you want 5/8, so 5 lots of the 12.5 is 62.5%. 40% of the 35 guests, male guests, wear glasses. Write the number of male guests who wear glasses as a fraction of the whole number of guests. Okay, so you want to find 40% of 35, so 10% is 3.5, so 40% is 14, so it's 14 over 56, that's the total number of guests, and simplify it, and you should have got 1/4. Question number 6. In a sale, the normal price of a book is reduced by 10%. The sale price, so this is the price that it is on offer, is £4.86. Calculate the normal price of the book? Well, we're asked to calculate the old price before the reduction. So let's say the sale price is 90% of the value because we've taken 10% off. So I've divided both sides by 9 to find out what 10% of the value is, then multiplied by 10, not 100, by 10, and that will give you what it was at the beginning, which is £5.40. And there are your past questions on percentages.